Nut-Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make pork chop. Alright, this is a yummy fall dinner or really any time of year. It's pretty easy. The longest time is just the baking time. Other than that, it's 3 simple ingredients. So what you need is some pork chops. You could use bone in, but I like to use the boneless because you don't want to be digging in there and getting bones out. So just however many, 6 to 8 little pork chops like that. And then you need some apple pie filling for the bottom. This is a 20-ounce can of that. And then you need some kind of stuffing. You could use the chicken, whatever kind of stuffing you want to use, really. It doesn't really matter. And then we need a 9x13 baking dish and some aluminum foil. And that is it for this recipe. So go ahead and spray your baking dish with cooking spray, and then you want to preheat your oven to 375. Okay, so next we are going to just go ahead and make our stuffing. So you will need probably butter and water for this next step. I needed 4 tablespoons of butter and 1.5 cups of water. So you just want to make your stuffing per the box. Okay, well, I'm waiting for my stuffing to get done. I went ahead and opened up my apples. And you just want to spread those as evenly as you can on the bottom of your pan. Alright, so after you have your apples all spread out, you can go ahead and lay out your pork chops over top. However you want to put them, just to make room for all of them. As you can see, some of mine are a little sideways and stuff, but there's room for all of them. And then when your stuffing is finished, go ahead and spread that on top. Alright, here is what it should look like. So next we are going to just go ahead and cover this in foil and bake it for 30 minutes at 375. Alright, so after your 30 minutes is up, you can go ahead and remove your foil, and then you bake it an additional 10 minutes. And as you can see, mine just came out of the oven, and it's nice and bubbly. So we're going to let that cool off, and then we'll have Taste Tester have a little taste. Alright, I cut some up for Taste Tester, and he is ready to have a little taste. Go ahead, Taste Tester. It may still be a little hot. Just take a little bite. Is it hot?
No. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe. I like it.
Bye.
Bye.